Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I did these jumbo rope twists. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style, continue watching. So jumping straight into this video, my hair is already washed and blow dried, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a part straight down the middle using my nose as a guide. And once I've made that part in the middle and I've sectioned my hair into two, I'm going to put one side away and for the next side that I'm going to be working with, I'm going to section that section into two because I'll be doing 4 sections in total. So I'm gonna start off with that first top section and I'm going to just comb it through, put it in a ponytail, and also brush out the baby hairs that I will be leaving out. And then I will be putting the back portion in a ponytail, and also the opposite side I'm gonna do the same thing too. So the first side I have completed. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I have not used any product to hold the ponytail yet, but this is up to you. You can apply the product while you are putting in the ponytails, but I decided to just do it after. So guys, this is how my sections are looking. I decided to go in with my got2b free spray and just spray that in each section. I decided not to use any gel because I just wanted to give a little tutorial kind of showing you guys in more detailed what I was doing to get these rope twists. If you guys haven't already checked out my other video, a lot of people were commenting, wanting to see the ends and all that stuff, so I decided to make another video to show you guys. So I am just using the got2b free spray to just slick my hair down a bit and using my blow dryer to dry it. Alright guys, so I took a bundle of expressions and I split one bundle into 2. So one bundle is going to do 2 of the twists for me. Then I went ahead and split that bundle into 3. I also went in with some glaze product and applied it to my hair because my hair was a little puffy and I kind of wanted it to blend, so I made it tacky so that it can stick with the braiding hair. So what I did was I parted my hair in half. As you can see, I put the braiding hair in between my hair and held it together. So now the braiding hair in my hair is in half. I twisted the hair around my finger and put it in the next hand. As you can see, I'm doing that same motion all throughout the hair. So I'm literally twisting it, putting it in the next hand, taking that part, twisting it, put it in the next hand. I also added some extensions. So all I did was place it in the middle and continued twisting it around my finger, putting that piece in the next hand, taking the piece that I was going to let go of and twisting it before I wrapped it around. That is all I did. I also went and applied more product to the end to make it stick together. But all I'm doing is twisting the hair around my finger and going down to the end. And the question that everybody has been asking me about how I get it to stay, all I do is when I get closer to the end of the twist, I start braiding it. And I don't start braiding it very high. As you can see, I'm still going. I braid it at the very tip. So you want enough braid to hold it. So as you can see, I am literally just braiding it through now. I just took a strand from one of the strands, made it into 3 strands and made a braid. And that's how I get the twist to hold. So guys, this is how it is looking, and I'm just doing the same thing for all sections. I hope this helped because I got so many questions. I got so many views on that video. I am going to link it in my description box so you can go ahead and check it out because it was a super cute hairstyle. But I just wanted to do a more in-depth video because a lot of people had questions. So I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial and I hope it helps. Let me know down in the comments if this video did help you out. If you've seen the first video and you thought this one explained it better, I would love to know because I can make more beginner friendly videos. As I said, it was my first time doing these twists. Now this video is my second time. I know it helped a lot of people, so I hope it was able to help you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and continue twisting. So guys, I know it's a bit hard to see, but this is where I started braiding out the braid, just at the very tip. So guys, this motion I'm doing right now is just to kind of even it out. So I'm just twisting it around a bit so that it's nice and straight, and that is how it is looking. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the hairs that I left out for my baby hairs, and I like to use a mini flat iron for this. And then I'm going to use my ebon edge control to just slick it down. Now I'm just using my Paul Mitchell Shine Spray, and I'm just spraying that all over my hair as just the finishing touch. And this is basically how it is looking, guys. It was a super easy and quick hairstyle. So I'm just gonna change real quick. So this is how it looks off the black cape. It was a very cute hairstyle. It was super easy. I wanted to just do this tutorial to kind of just show you guys in depth how I did the twist and how I get it to stay, because I was receiving a lot of questions, as I said in my last video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, let me know if it helped you guys, or if it didn't. Like, just let me know. But give this video a like if you did enjoy it, if you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, come on, girl. But thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.